Wall ovens offer you more options than any other cooking product, including steam and speed functionality. However, they're the toughest to repair. So an industry that has very limited qualified service techs, even on the basic appliances, your best bet is buying a reliable wall oven. In this video, you'll learn the 6 most reliable wall oven brands to choose from based on 37,000 plus service calls logged by our service team just last year. We now have 38 service techs averaging 8 to 10 calls per day, or over 37,000 service calls per year for just our customers. We determine the reliability of brands by dividing the number of products we serviced by the number we sold in the last 12 months. Many people commented that they would like to see a greater history, so would I. However, we perform service free for the first year. We assume this first year of ownership will give us the most accurate data, including for builders. After that, it becomes unclear. Plus, appliances typically have the most service calls in the first year and at the end of life. G-Profile is decent wall ovens with Wi-Fi functionality and large interior capacity. Haier has been the owner of G since 2016 and has turned the brand around. It's a decent choice for a reliable oven with good basic features. G also has their own service department. This alone should make them a consideration if you're buying from your appliances for the store without service. Thermador is the high-end division of the BSH Corp. Wall ovens have Wi-Fi, rotisseries, and advanced boiler functions. We recently introduced a newer line of wall ovens with side swing doors, as well as speed and steam combinations. However, they don't offer the same guided cooking systems as some upscale brands you'll learn about later in the video. In terms of service, BSH varies by the region. Most cafe ovens purchased at Miele have French door configurations. You can access food more easily with a side swing or French door wall oven. This is because you don't have to lift heavy items over the door, unlike in a traditional fold-down oven. Display is full color and lets you know the ideal internal temperature. Cafe wall ovens are unique because they're available in stainless black, white, with a choice of 6 different handle finishes. LG Studio ovens are incredibly popular. The double oven is 9.4 cubic feet with convection cooking and 14 cooking modes for $24.99 versus $48,000 for comparable models. It even has an InstaView door, knock twice to see inside. And by a steam assist and speed oven wall oven combination, under $6,000, and that's less than a steam oven for most other brands. LG produces more of its components than any other brand, which is why they had less availability problems during the pandemic and less service issues now. They also started their own service department as well. If you like this video and find this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Speaking of companies producing their own components, Miele manufactures almost all of their components, including their M-Touch controls in their German factory. The simplest to use for any wall oven. Just input the food, how you want it cooked, then the wall oven will set the recommended time and temperature. This oven has steam assist to add flavor to your roasts and 15 automatic bread making recipes. Want to make sourdough bread or cook lamb in medium well? Simply press a button and let the wall oven do the rest. Gaggenau is always in the top 3 most reliable for built-in wall ovens. It's French-made and German-engineered. Gaggenau is the best wall oven if you know what you're doing, with 17 distinct modes for any type of cooking. Temperature setting is also adjustable by 1 degree. Now, if you want to learn how to decide which one of these reliable wall ovens is best for you, click this video, and thanks for watching.